I'm going to be cooking Stovies, which is a Scots word from stove or to stove, which means to stew. So the first thing we're going to do is fry the onions. We're going to add the meat. So it's going to brown the meat in the onions and the butter, and that's going to take about 10 minutes. But I like to put a liberal dose of black pepper. You get lovely smells of the bacon and the onion and the butter sizzling away. So I've just boiled the kettle, and I'm just going to add that to the stock cube. And stir the stock. And I'm going to add it. And I take my potatoes, all peeled and chopped. And I'm going to add that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add, probably in total it's about 1 litre. But I'm just going to judge it. So, okay, this dish will, it can take 45 minutes to an hour to kind of boil down and for the potatoes to become soft. That's the dish. That's probably all you need. It's a very kind of, you really taste the onions and the gravy. So,